Hi guys, welcome to The Bite. My name is Jackie. Today we're going to be making a Middle Eastern Arabic baked chicken dish called Suniyet Jaaj. It's so simple and easy to put together. It's cold outside. I'm in a cozy sweater, so I figured why not make a nice cozy meal to go along with the whole vibe. So I love this meal. There's so many ways that you can make it, but this is my favorite way to make it. So let's go over the ingredients. We have some chicken thighs that I took most of the fat off of, some potatoes, 2 onions. I cut 1 onion in half moons and then I diced the other one, and I'll explain why in a second. Some olive oil and water. I have my spices, which is 7 spice, sumac, cardamom, paprika, allspice, and turmeric. Of course, you're gonna need salt and pepper, and you're gonna need your Suniyet, which is this nice baking dish. There's tons of variations to this dish. You can add more vegetables like carrots or tomatoes or zucchini. You can add tomato paste. My parents don't even make it this way, but I just really tend to like this mix of flavors together. And I love that it gets a yellow color. Actually, this little tiny bit of turmeric makes the whole dish yellow, which somehow makes it more appetizing for me. I don't know why, but I love the way it looks and the way it tastes. So to start this all off, all I do is add my spices to my olive oil, and this is gonna create kind of like a paste. That way it's easy to spread over the chicken, the potatoes, and the onions. So I'm gonna bring you in closer so that you can see everything get put together. So I'm just gonna combine all my spices with my olive oil. You can see it's a nice thick paste, and you can already smell it. And you definitely wanna add some salt and pepper to this. I found that about 1.5 tablespoons works really well, but all the measurements will be on my blog, and you can check that out in the description below. So the next step is to combine my potatoes and my onions in the baking dish. So I like to make sure that they're all well mixed, and then I add about half of this mixture on top. I go in with my hands and I mix everything up. So now I kind of make a little bed for the chicken to go into. So I like to make 5, since I'm using 5 chicken thighs, I like to make 5 spaces for them to go. And now I'm just going to place each one. We'll cover each one with the spices as well. Now I like to add some water. They're all laid out. I'm gonna go wash my hands. So the water is gonna help kind of give it a nice sauce, and it's just perfect to put over rice or to even just pour over the chicken itself. The chicken will also release its juices and will give this dish a lot of good depth and flavor, but the water just kind of helps add a little bit extra. And I cut 1 onion in dices because I find that it kind of melts into the sauce. The half moons kind of keep their integrity a little bit better, but the little diced onions just, I don't know, they add something. So I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil, and this is going to go into the oven at 350, covered for 30 to 35 minutes. I'm gonna take the aluminum off and let it cook for another 20 minutes so that the top can get nice and golden brown, and then we'll eat it. Finally, it's ready. I can eat it, I've been smelling it, and now I just wanna dig in. I do wanna mention that you can use chicken legs for this. You just want to up the cooking time by like 20-30 minutes, or until a meat thermometer comes out at 165, and then it'll be safe to eat. I'm doing it. That's all I had to say about that. And all I did with this was I toasted some pine nuts and I sprinkled them on top. I toasted them with some Suniyet, which I have a video for, which is clarified butter or ghee. You can use butter, you can use nothing at all and toast them. That'll be totally fine too. But I just like the extra flavor that my Suniyet has. Let me just show you this. Do you see this luscious sauce? I mean, ugh, just so good. It's perfection. My husband husband is obsessed with this dish, and for a good reason. I can't even stop. Get your hands on some chicken thighs. Make this. You're welcome. I'm just gonna say it because you couldn't thank me. You're gonna love me. This is most commonly eaten with rice. I have a video for ruz beshariye, which is the rice with vermicelli noodles, and that's the most common rice to eat with this. Also a very simple Middle Eastern salad, which I also have a video for, and some plain yogurt. You can use Greek yogurt, whatever you want to eat with this. This is the centerpiece. This is delicious. Oh, it's so good. I can't even. So, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm in heaven right now. There might not be leftovers, so I'm just saying. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out some other videos that I have while you're here, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome comfort foods like this. This fall I have a lot of good stuff coming up, so stay tuned to check that out and click that bell notification. That way you're notified when I post new videos. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you next time on the bye.